The total amount of lightweight materials in CDW is as high as hundreds of millions of tons. Among them, PP and PE films account for about 50%. In addition, there are plastic films from household waste, from landfill aged waste, and agricultural film and mulching film. These plastic films that have been overlooked all along are like huge urban oil fields, waiting for oil refineries to exploit. The DataBeyond fast sort film can sort out PP and PE films from the lightweight materials in CDW and can remove residues such as PVC film, PET film, wood chips, waste textiles, and waste paper simultaneously. The purity of the sorted PP and PE films is as high as over 95%. The PP and PE films can be refined into non-standard gasoline or non-standard diesel through chemical recycling. DataBeyond provides high-quality plastic film raw materials for refineries through the power of technology. Make the waste plastic films that were originally landfilled or incinerated be reborn through anaerobic pyrolysis, become non-standard fuel and chemical raw materials again.